Hey guys, it's Miss Hazel here. Now remember, here's the situation. We're stuck on that deserted island and we're hungry. Now we found some food, thank goodness. We fried our eggs, but now we have them on this pan and the pan's hot and we don't want to burn our hands. So our question of the day is which materials have insulating properties? So which materials will help you pick up something hot and protect your hands? Now we have water bottles. This one is my hot water bottle. You can't tell because you can't feel it, but I set this out in the sun. This one is my water bottle that is not hot. Okay? So the warm one doesn't have this label. All right, it's blank. The cool one, or the normal one, is just this guy. All right. Now, 3 things washed up the shore that we can test out. We have socks, styrofoam cups, and aluminum foil. Now, if you don't have all these materials and you want to do the experiment, you can grab whatever you have and test it out. Like, I just have the materials because I have the science kit home with me. But I don't normally keep these in the house, so I may not have these. So maybe instead, I would try what I do have, which I have tissues. Okay? So you don't need the materials to do the experiment. And you don't have to do the experiment. You can just follow along. All right. We're going to test out our first material. So now, to test out this aluminum foil, I'm going to make foil mittens. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to completely cover my hands with the foil. Alright, see how I don't have any in my hand? Or it's all covered up? Good. Now I'm going to try the next one. I will say, it is a lot easier to make mittens for another person than it is yourself. Because now I don't have a free hand. Alright. Okay. We're going to get another piece of foil. I'm not left-handed. There we go. Alright, cover it up. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna use one because I don't have anybody here to help me. I know, Gigi, your hands just aren't big enough. Okay, so I have one. Okay. So we'll pretend like I have 2. I am going to pick up the water bottles and see if I can feel the difference, okay? So my eyes are closed. Gigi, are my eyes closed? Yes, Gigi knows. My eyes are closed. I'm going to mix them up so I can't remember which is which. And I'm going to lift them up. So you can see which water bottle I have. Yeah, I don't really feel any heat here. Let's see, maybe that was our other water bottle. Oh, yeah, I can definitely feel that this one's warmer. I'm going to say this is our warm water bottle. Yes, okay. So I opened my eyes and I saw that, yes, this is the warm water bottle. So I could feel the heat through it. So I'm going to say, but not really too much, but I could still feel it. So let's see if we can find a better material than aluminum foil where I can't feel it at all. Okay. I'm going to use the socks. Alright, now my eyes are closed. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay. Gonna pick up this guy first. I don't feel any heat. I do feel a little bit of a difference. I'm gonna say this one is the warm bottle. Okay, I opened my eyes and I saw this is the warm bottle, but I could barely feel it. Like with the foil, I definitely felt it. With the cloth, I can barely feel it. And when I first had it, I couldn't feel it at all. I had to be really rubbing and holding it, which is not something that you would do with a pan. You're not going to hold something that's hot just to hold it. You're only going to hold it for as long as you need to hold it. Okay, so I would say socks are a better option than aluminum foil. All right, I'm going to test out one more thing. Styrofoam cups. So I'm going to put my hands inside the cups. And maybe if you have plastic cups and you want to try that instead, if you don't have styrofoam, you can do that. Alright. Now I shuffle them off. Shuffle them off. Okay. Let's see. Huh. Yeah, I do not feel that at all. Like, I can't even, the others I could feel the like texture, so so like how smooth or the way that the bottle feels. I can't even feel that here. I have no idea which water bottle this is. Let's see, maybe that was our normal one. Maybe this will be the warm and I'll be able to feel it. No, I still have no idea. Yeah, for all I know, this isn't even one of our water bottles. I just don't know it all. Alright, let's see. Yeah. Okay, so I had no idea which water bottle is which. So I would say that styrofoam cups are our best option by far, because I could feel it with aluminum. I could feel it a little bit with cloth. But I could not feel it with the styrofoam. So styrofoam cups are our best option. Now, I want to know if you were surprised by that. See, I wasn't all that surprised with the aluminum foil, but I'm kind of surprised about the socks. So socks are made out of cloth. And something else that I use to get things out of the oven are also made out of a similar material, if not the same. Yeah, let me go get it for you guys real quick. Yeah, right. This oven mitt that I use to protect myself when I take something out of the oven. So this surprises me. I wonder why these socks didn't work that well, because I would have thought that, I guessed that this was going to be the best material by far. Let me think. What do you think? Why does something like this, an oven mitt or a pot holder, work a lot better than this when they seem to be made out of the same material? What do you think? Okay, Gigi, that's a good point. Gigi's saying don't just think about the material or one property, think about the other. This oven mitt is a lot thicker than this sock. Maybe if it was one of my like fuzzy socks or a sock that is designed for when you are shoveling snow or you're outside in the snow or something. I'm sorry, I'm rambling here. Yeah, maybe that would work better. All right, so even though the focus for today was on insulating properties, other properties are always at play with materials. All right, so again, short summary, Styrofoam cups worked the best. Styrofoam cups had the best insulating properties. Cloth was insulating for the most part. Aluminum foil is not. It will not protect your hands from heat. Styrofoam definitely will. And cloth kind of does. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. You can do this experiment on your own using whatever you have, if it's something that you're interested in, or you could just watch the video. Okay? So we are going to continue working with properties, and tomorrow we're actually going to focus on oven mitts a little more closely. Okay? All right, thank you, scientists.